Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the podcast where we embark on fascinating journeys through the natural world, exploring the wonders of ecosystems, biodiversity, and environmental interconnections. I'm your host, Aristotle, and today we're going to talk about an incredible creature that has been roaming our planet for millions of years, the Aldabra Giant Tortoise. The Aldabra Giant Tortoise is a massive reptile that inhabits the Aldabra Atoll in the Seychelles, off the coast of East Africa. It's one of the largest tortoises on Earth, with some individuals reaching weights of up to 250 kilograms and lengths of over a meter. But what makes this species so significant? For starters, the Aldabra Giant Tortoise has been around for millions of years, with fossil records dating back to the Pleistocene era. It's also an important component of its ecosystem, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature on the atoll. From a scientific perspective, the Aldabra Giant Tortoise belongs to the genus Geochelone and is classified as Geochelone gigantea. Its habitat consists of coral reefs, mangrove forests, and grasslands, where it feeds on a variety of plants, including leaves, fruits, and flowers. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Aldabra Giant Tortoise's biology is its ability to survive for long periods without water. It can store water in its bladder and metabolize fat reserves when food is scarce, allowing it to thrive in its arid environment. Our understanding of the Aldabra Giant Tortoise has evolved significantly over time, thanks to the contributions of key naturalists and researchers. One notable example is the work of French naturalist Jean-Baptiste Lamarck, who first described the species in the early 19th century. Since then, numerous studies have shed light on the tortoise's behavior, ecology, and conservation status. For instance, research has shown that the Aldabra Giant Tortoise is a keystone species, playing a vital role in dispersing seeds and maintaining the structure of its ecosystem. Some fascinating observations about the Aldabra Giant Tortoise include its unique mating rituals, where males engage in intense battles for dominance, and its remarkable longevity. In fact, one individual tortoise, named Jonathan, is estimated to be over 187 years old, making it one of the oldest living land animals on record. Another interesting behavior is the tortoise's ability to recognize and respond to individual members of its own species, as well as other animals, such as birds and crabs. The Aldabra Giant Tortoise has a range of ecological relationships with other species on the atoll. For example, it has a symbiotic relationship with certain species of birds, which feed on ticks and other parasites that live on the tortoise's skin. The tortoise also helps to disperse seeds from the trees and plants it eats, contributing to the regeneration of vegetation on the atoll. However, its ecosystem is facing significant threats, including habitat destruction, climate change, and the introduction of invasive species. Unfortunately, the Aldabra Giant Tortoise is listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to the ongoing degradation of its habitat and the impacts of climate change. Rising sea levels, increased temperatures, and changes in precipitation patterns are all affecting the availability of food and water resources for the tortoise. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this incredible species, including habitat restoration, research programs, and education initiatives. These creatures have been on our planet for millions of years, and yet they still have so much to teach us about adaptability, resilience, and the importance of living in harmony with our environment. As we face the challenges of climate change, habitat destruction, and species extinction, we can learn a lot from the Aldabra Giant Tortoise about the importance of preserving biodiversity and ecological balance. By studying this species and its ecosystem, we gain a deeper understanding of the complex relationships between species and their environments, and the critical role that each plays in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.